This have is a golden word and it has a number of applications. Mostly among students, Amiza is very popular. They love using Amiza and for past was where. But let me tell you, have has had, it's like the mother of English conversation. Why am I saying that? Why am I saying that? What's the reason? The reason is that the majority of English sentences, most of the English sentences, somehow they are related with have. Somehow they are connected here. How? For example, some of your helping verbs are like do, does, did, right? Do, does, did. Now if you take a look at have as that sentences, like we say a simple line, I have a pen, okay? Or I have your contact number, correct? Now I say আমার কাছে নেই তোমার contact number, मेरे पास आपका contact number नहीं है. Can I say that I not have your contact number? I no have your contact number. You can say I have no contact numbers. माने दुनिया का कोई contact number नहीं, दुनिया का कुछ number ही मेरे पास नहीं. That meaning is that I have no contact numbers. लेकिन आपका contact number मेरे पास नहीं है. I do not have your contact number. Can you see? Do you have her number? Did he have your number? No, he didn't have your number either. Does he have any idea on this? Yes, he has, but no, he doesn't have. Can you see? I have to go there. Do you also have to go there? He had to go there. No, he didn't have to go there. Can you understand? This is like a small glimpse I'm showing you that how do, does, did is also connected with have as that. Coming to Amiza was where. When you talk about sentences like I have been waiting, I have been singing, it is quite similar to I am singing. Meaning is same. There are differences. But I am singing, আমি গান গাইছি, I have been singing, वो तो আমি गान ही गाइছি ना, मैं गाना गा रही हूँ, उसमें differences है, लेकिन meaning जो है वो गाना गा रही हूँ, गान गाइছি. For example, he is invited, he has been invited. Don't you see similarity here? If I say they are my friends, they are my friends की, वो मेरे दोस्त है. आप समझ रहे हैं बात को? They are my friends, very easy line. लेकिन अगर मैं बोलूं बचपन से ही वो में हम लोग सब दोस्त हैं, अभी भी है. So you say that they have been my childhood buddies. Can you see? It's also connected there. Are you understanding? Like ये जो could, would, should से हम लोग बात करते हैं ना, could, would, should से जो हम बात करते हैं उसका भी इससे कनेक्शन है. कैसे? अगर मैं बोलूं आपको चुप रहना चाहिए, তোমার চুপ থাকা উচিত, তাহলে আমি কি বলবো? আমি বলবো you should be quiet. You should be quiet. लेकिन अगर मैं बोलूं आपको चुप रहना चाहिए था, आपको चुप रहना चाहिए था, তোমার চুপ থাকা উচিত ছিল, then I will say, you know what? You should have been quiet. You should have been quiet. He could help you. ও তোমায় পেরেছিল হেল্প করতে, তাই না? He could have helped you. ও তোমায় হেল্প চাইলে করতেই পারতো, বাট দেখাও করলো না কিন্তু. He's so selfish. Can you see? I mean to say, you can say that if he did not wear the helmet, he would have met with a major accident. वो यदि हेलमेट ना पहनतो और एक बड़ा एक्सीडेंट हो जाता, अगर वो हेलमेट नहीं पहनता उसका एक्सीडेंट हो जाता. I mean, would लो, could लो, should लो, do, does, did, सभी का कहीं ना कहीं ये have से ना कुछ रिश्ता है, बड़ा लेवल का रिश्ता है. So इसको अगर आप लोग जान लोगे, बाकी का क्लियर होना बहुत इजी है. ठीक है? फर्स्ट टाइम आप लोग ऐसा सुन रहे हो, है ना? तो आप लोग अच्छे से समझ लो, बिकॉज एट EFA we teach in a very different technique, or we focus on the meaning, not like the robotic subject, object and third person singular number. We try to make it very scientific, logical, meaning based, sentence based, ताकि आप और easy भी, so that you understand. रूट में जाके समझना है. What are we supposed to do? As I said, we are going to study have, right? First meaning of have is